Neutral is not enough.
Part of neutral is not enough is not having just one conversation about carbon neutrality, which is what a lot of people want to talk about, just to get people to understand that there's a lot more subjects involved in sustainability. But also, it's what we call our call to action, which means you can't sit on the fence when it comes to talking about sustainability. You've got to take a stand, you've got to make a specification, you've got to drive through the change within the market.
Our health and well-being are crucial, are key. And again, I think it is as important as focusing on environmental sustainability. When you look at sustainability as a full picture, a part of it is human sustainability and the other part is environmental sustainability. I would like to see organizations doing the right thing and prioritizing their people and putting them first in any business decision, which is our vision and our mission at the International Wellbeing Institute. But also, I would love to see the government incentivizing organizations to do these right things. And we are seeing parts of that now. The government in the UAE is really a pioneer and a leader in all these things, but just more of the incentives that organizations can get when they do the right thing for their people and for the planet.
So that comes from maybe the manufacturers providing more materials that are more sustainable, giving us lots of options to then take that to the market. Then once clients start asking for specifics, we have an easy selection to then go, these are your options here. We can give you X, Y, and Z at whatever budget. At the moment we find it hard because some materials are quite expensive, so it's trying to make them budget friendly and to then be used in projects. For us as a reseller, good budget friendly, widely available sustainable materials, and then that allows us to do our job very easily.
Learn more about sustainability, get informed. And this is exactly what we try to do at the Emirates Green Building Council. Our main role is to raise awareness on sustainability of the built environment. Since the fabric of the UAE already has more than one green building regulation, and it also has the National Green Building Regulation, it is important that when policies come, they take into consideration the act of harmonizing between these different regulations, and at the same time, understanding where each regulation stands, what are the different gaps between them, how can we connect them, and this would make it easier for developers as they take on these regulations, as they try to adopt the policies. They make it easier on them to really adopt that policy straightforward.
I think most people want to change when they see the change in front of them in some kind of form of pilot or mock-up or test. Change always runs a lot quicker once you put the effort in to do that, and change is what we need.